It's a story you got first from News 4. St. Louis County health inspectors, with help from police, going in and notifying multiple restaurants tonight they have to shut down.
All of them are violating the no indoor dining rule, which is in place to stop the coronavirus spread. One of those places that's in violation is Bartolino's on Lindbergh in South County. Despite being told to close, they are staying open. And our photographer this evening witnessing people still eating inside. So the big question tonight, what's next? News 4's Ashley Lincoln is following the showdown. She's live tonight from Breckenridge Hills.
Well, Corey and Samantha, I can tell you that this bar that we're at right now, OT's Bar, would typically be open right now. But after the county showed up, you can see that they have closed up. The county placing this food establishment closed sign on this building. Now, county officials are telling us that they sent out several warnings to these businesses that they say were in violation of this order. Tonight, business owners telling us that this move could put them out of business for good. One by one. The St. Louis County Health Department shut down restaurants and bars they say are in violation of the indoor dining ban. How does that make you feel?
Not very good.
They're harassing us.
5 restaurants are being cited, including Satchmo's Bar and Grill in Chesterfield, Bartolino's South in South County, 2 St. Anne restaurants, Final Destination and Acapulco Restaurant and Lounge, and OT's Bar and Grill in Breckenridge Hills. I went by OT's after they had to close. Here is surveillance video you'll only see on News 4 of the health department and police demanding people to leave.
And they told them, you either leave or we're going to put you under arrest.
Owner David Fields says this targeting is unfair.
We're not a restaurant.
You think they've been cooked anything on there?
St. Louis County Health say bars who don't serve food are in violation if they have people sitting inside. That's because people still have to take off their mask to drink. Down the street in St. Anne, the owner of Acapulco Restaurant and Lounge admits after the first warning, they were still allowing dine-in eating. Were you all serving in dining services after they put that mandate in place?
After they put the mandate in place, we considered on doing carry-out only.
After the second warning, they say they obeyed and went to curbside.
After the third order came in on Saturday, I was kind of surprised because we are in compliance.
Both businesses say they're family-owned, and while other non-restaurant businesses are allowed to stay open, they say it's the mom-and-pop shops feeling the blow.
For us, it's kind of hard to see if we might not make it through this, being in the community for 44 years.
So what's next here in this situation? The county says that tonight they were only able to shut down 4 businesses. We did find that the health inspector was not able to get to the owner of Acapulco to shut them down. However, the county says that they do come back out here and these businesses are still open. They do plan to continue coming out here until these businesses that they say are in violation do close down. Now, we did find out that these businesses will have a hearing. They will have an opportunity to say their case. Many of these owners, however, telling us tonight that they are gearing up to take legal action in this matter. Sam?
All right, Ashley, live for us in St. Louis County tonight. A Missouri state senator is attempting to combat St. Louis County's restrictions tonight.
We happen to be living in a constitutional republic where we have separation of powers. Yep. No one person should have the power to make law and shut our businesses down.
Senator Andrew Koenig, who represents a large portion of West County, outlined his proposal from Satchmo's Bar and Grill in Chesterfield. Among other things, it would require any shutdown longer than 14 days in a 2-year period to have approval from the state's General Assembly. The measure also on bars and also bans restrictions on religious institutions and would also prohibit limits on in-home gatherings.
State Senator Koenig's attempt to regulate local governments is the opposite of Governor Mike Parson's approach during this pandemic. The governor has reiterated it's up to local governments to make mitigations decisions. That includes mask mandates. I talked to State Health Director Dr. Randall Williams about that tonight.
Our policy from the state level is we clearly support at the local level what mayors and county execs and local health directors think they need to do.
St. Louis County Executive Dr. Sam Page says contact tracing shows indoor dining is leading to the spread of COVID-19, but some county leaders and restaurant owners say they have yet to see data supporting this. I asked Dr. Williams from his perspective if restaurants are leading to the spread.
It's not the first thing that I see is restaurants. What we're seeing more is kind of social gatherings that are during people's discretionary time. And that can be parties, that can be events.
And Senator Koenig said his bill that he was working on was just finalized yesterday, and he has not yet had any discussions with Governor Parson about it.